Hey guys, it's InfoGal, and let's just get right into it. So today we have a lender by the name of OpenSky. Now this credit card is specifically for rebuilding your personal credit. Okay, there is no hard credit check to apply, no credit risk to apply. 87% of people are approved for this credit card. Now I do recommend this credit card if you guys have a low 580 credit score. Okay, now they have two separate cards. They have the Open Sky. There's a $35 annual fee. There is a minimum security deposit of $200. The APR for this card is 22.39%. No credit check to apply. I think that is always great because this card is specifically for helping you rebuild your credit. So then they have the second Open Sky Plus, no annual fee, and a minimum security deposit of $300. The APR for this card is 29.74%. No credit check to apply, and they do report to all major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. And then they also have an additional savings account. So if you are looking to buy a vehicle, buy a home, rent an apartment, or auto insurance, they can help you save with that as well. And like I said, I do recommend this card if you guys have low credit score. And the good thing about this card is whatever deposit that you put down is refundable. They do give you a credit increase after 6 months between $1,000 and $3,000. Okay. So as long as you're making your payments on time, you will get that money back. And this again is for helping you rebuild your personal credit. So there is no type of reward for this card, specifically for rebuilding your credit. So if you guys would like to see more videos like this, please make sure that you hit the like, share, and subscribe button.